Hi, I'm Agent Bosko, broker with Keller Williams Realty. Have you ever dreamed of living in a beautifully renovated home? Well, your dream can come true. I'm excited to present you my latest listing at 112 Allanhurst Drive in Humber Valley Village, one of Etobicoke's premier neighborhoods. I know you're going to love this family home. Come on in, let's take a look. For more information, send us an email or call today for a private tour. We'll be happy to show you around. Thank you so much for joining me.